to bold text on Facebook post. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to bold text on a Facebook post. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your browser on your device, click search bar, type in facebook.com and open the websites of Facebook. Press enter on your keyboard and sign in to your account. Now start creating your post, clicking on what's on your mind. Simply type in anything that you want to bold the text on Facebook. Once done, you can type your text as usual, then you have to copy it, selecting this all the text and you can control or press Ctrl C. After that it will be copied and you have to visit the LingoJam.com website. You can visit any other website that help you to bold your text as well. You have to paste your copy text into the box and after that, that particular bold text generator will generate various bold style. You can choose the style you like and after that you have to copy it and paste it back to your Facebook post. Now you can easily see the bold text clearly stands out. So remember that there is no such feature on Facebook that gives you directly to bold. So you have to visit some of the websites that are trustable to bold your text for a Facebook app. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.